Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a burger, so stay tuned. First you're going to need burger buns. You can use whole wheat or white. I used white. You're going to need ground meat. I used chicken, but you can use any other type of meat. Vegetables, I used onions and tomatoes. You can add lettuce or any other vegetable. Condiments or sauces, your favorite sauces. I used mine. Eggs, brown, white, doesn't matter. Spices, your favorite spices. And fat in form of oil or butter, anything. So first I'm going to season my ground chicken, and I'm going to start with salt. Then I'm going to add bouillon cubes, chicken cubes. Then I'm going to add garlic. Then I'm going to add black pepper, parsley, ground hot pepper from Nigeria, especially from Nigeria, so it was really hot. Vegetable oil to like kind of make everything come together, and also an egg to do the same thing to make everything like mix well and come together. You can add your favorite spices, and I'm going to use my hands to like get dirty and mix everything together. I'm going to add onion powder because I forgot to add it earlier. Then more dry pepper. This one is not as hot as the other one, but adds more color. Then I'm going to mix everything. Then I'm going to put oil on the plate so that the ground meat doesn't stick when I mold it. Doesn't stick to the plate when I mold it. I'm going to put the meat in my palm and start to mold it with my fingers. Just mold it anyhow you like and make sure it's like round, and just pat it, and make sure you wet your fingers, your hands before, so that it doesn't stick to your hands and it's just easier to mold. Okay, it's time to cook my ground chicken, so I'm going to put gas at medium heat, and I already had oil in the pan from Stephanie because she made a burger like right before I filmed this video. So I added more oil and put my chicken patties inside the oil to start frying. I was also making fries, and I added onion to the oil to add more flavor, because I like to like flip them periodically back and forth. So after a few minutes you can flip it. You want to make sure you're cooking it on medium heat so that it cooks all the way through, not just on the outside but on the inside also. So you can see I'm flipping it again. At least let it cook for like 10 minutes on each side so it cooks like fully through. And it's going to cook faster than a whole chicken because it's like ground meat. It's going to cook faster. So to make sure it's ready, I just like to poke little holes inside to like see the inside to see if it's like cooked all the way through, and it was. So I removed it and put in a paper towel to drain off the excess oil. So next up, I'm going to fry an egg to add to my burger. I really like fried eggs, and I really like fried eggs in burgers because like they give burgers like a really nice different flavor and texture. So I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to fry an egg. Like I'm just breaking it in the pan after adding butter. I'm going to fry it on medium heat. My egg kind of scattered, but it's okay as far as it still like tasted good, so it's fine. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, especially to the yolk. Just give it more. So now it's time for me to assemble my burger, and I'm showing you guys the veggies I used. In a bun, one side is smaller and one side is bigger. The smaller side is meant to go under, and I'm going to put mayonnaise on the bun. You can put any sauce you like really. I'm going to put ketchup also, and barbecue sauce, hot sauce, onions, tomatoes. I'm going to put my patty, that's my chicken patty, and I'm going to put egg on top. Then I'm going to put some mayo on the other side of the bun and put it on top of the burger. And that's it, guys. It's very simple and easy. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment below also. Thank you for watching. Tune into my other videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.